Welcome. This short how-to video will take you through how to save and retrieve Spontania whiteboarding sessions. During your Spontania session, start the whiteboard application. Then use the whiteboard to capture the desired information. To save the whiteboard, go to the top of the application and click the Save icon. Select the directory you would like to use to save the file and enter a name. I'll say meeting April 21st. Simply select Save. Then later, if you'd like to recall this whiteboard session, simply restart the whiteboard. Click on the load icon at the top of the screen and select the saved whiteboarding session, and it's immediately recalled. Thank you. For more information, please go to ClearOne.com/products media collaboration or contact your local ClearOne representative.